Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back today to talk about a new palette and some new lashes too. We're going to be talking about the Makeup Revolution Nightmare Before Christmas collab. This is the Jack palette, the Pumpkin King. Also, we are going to be talking about the new Halloween lashes, I believe, from Kiss, the Siren and Wicked collection, I believe, or their Halloween collection. Spell and Under the Sea lashes that I will be talking about a little bit as well. Also guys, before I get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit that notification button so whenever I upload, especially these spooky times right now, spooky season, I'm gonna be uploading a lot of different things. If you guys want these looks, because these are fun, these are a lot of fun, stay tuned. So I want to have a mini little girl chat again, and today you already can guess what we're gonna talk about is the Nightmare Before Christmas. So this movie, I'm gonna tell y'all my experience with this movie, okay? With this movie, I ended up getting into it because of actually one of my old friends from when I was just younger, and I remember she was like obsessed with it. She was wearing a shirt of it and all this stuff, and I was like, what is this? Like, what Halloween movie is this? They said it's Nightmare Before Christmas. And, you know, I always tell those kids, I was like, what? Nightmare Before Christmas? I'm like, Christmas supposed to be all happy. I don't want to mix that with Halloween. But first time I actually did watch, I think it was like ABC Family or something crazy like that. And see it on TV. When I seen the Oogie Boogie Man, and then also when I end up seeing those vampires, I don't know. I'm going to put a clip in here so y'all can see it. Oh yeah, the vampires in that movie, it's a little snippet, but they're my favorite characters out of the movie. I don't know why. Don't ask me. But I love those vampires. I'm telling you, those vampires in that movie was singing. But the first time I seen them, I'm like, what the world is this? Like, it made me laugh when I heard them singing like that. Oogie Boogie is like definitely, the Oogie Boogie Man is my favorite. I think a lot of people like him, but it's just funny. His voice, the voice actor, everything. That was just really nostalgic. It's crazy to think now, like that's so back when. Why is it funny? Why is it as good music? It was really interesting. I'm gonna tell you that the first time I was introduced to it, I was like, why do I like this? Oogie Boogie is like, I think a classic. Everyone likes Oogie Boogie because it's Oogie Boogie. You gotta like the boogeyman. I know a lot of people like Sally, you know, they like the girl, they like the original character. A lot of people do like Jack the Pumpkin King, of course. I like Jack, but I kind of want to know more of the story about him per se, because I feel like he has a lot that we can know about him, like the story of how did he become the Pumpkin King and why is he just a skeleton head? Like, what happened to you, bro? Quite nostalgic, and I know I'm gonna be binge watching that too. That's my mini girl chat, just nostalgic memories of Nightmare Before Christmas, because I think we all see this palette. I was just like, yeah, we definitely doing something colorful. We have to. Back to the tutorial. All right, guys, I hope that you love the tutorial because I have fun. It was hard choosing what looks I wanted to do because two different eyeballs. I was like, I'm gonna give two looks because it's literally two sides to this palette. So with the Jack palette, I believe, I want to say this retailed for around $15 to like $25, in between that range. And I actually think it is quite actually worth it. With this palette, you do get two sides. You get the neutral side. So look at that, all the neutral colors. And then you get the colorful side. Has all those colors. I think this palette is smart to have just neutrals and nothing but color on the other side. I think it's good to split them up to see what kind of look you want to go with. And the middle of the palette says Moonlight, Mischief, and Madness. So I like that in the middle has that little saying. On the front, of course, it does have Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas Disney collab with Makeup Revolution. So they have that little logo. There he is, the Pumpkin King. There you go. This does come with 36 shades. 36 shades that you can put on the eyeball. That's a lot of colors to pick from. Let me see. I'm going to count how many ones I've used. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the neutral side for this eyeball. So I used 7 colors. With the colorful eye, it's gonna be a lot. 8, I think I used just 8. No, not too much compared to the other. In my opinion, with this palette now, with the mattes performed very, very well. With the shimmers, they performed okay. Some of them in here that are pretty, the shimmer is really pretty, or the color is very different, and that's why I want to try it. But mainly, this palette is really good with mattes. I'm not gonna lie, I wish they would have had maybe 3 shimmers on each side, but then everything else matte, because this would have worked a lot better with mattes versus the shimmer. My favorite color out of the whole palette is Pumpkin King. I like the orange, and fitting name. That orange just popped right on my lid and it's just there. I love it. Oogie Boogie. Yes, yes, yes. This one. I seen that one and the name. That's like hands down my favorite shade. Only thing is, I wish it was more pigmented like Pumpkin King, and it's not. But it did still perform. You still see that green versus that orange variation. I do like that a lot. This look was fun to do. I wish I would have stayed just on the color side because the neutral side, it's okay. It's all right, but it's not that, you know what I mean? Like, this side is really, really cool. And like the color, I knew I would like the colorful side more. I just knew I would. I just wish there was less shimmer, because the shimmer ones, they okay, but the mattes really come to play. And this eye, I did end up attempting the inverted kind of eyeshadow, because the inverted shadow, I like doing that, making it black and gray in here and then making it's lighter and then get dark again out there. I like the inverted kind of eye look, especially during right now the spooky season. I wish they just would have made his palette all nothing but colors, really. Don't get me wrong, I know Jack, he's literally black and white, so it's like, well, they had to have a neutral side. They would have literally just gave me this side and it said this was Jack palette, I would have been like, okay, perfect. Is it worth 20 something for 2 of them in there? I think so, yes. But just the pigmentation of the shimmer, some of them, and so many shimmers, I think it could easily have been a $10 or $15 palette. Y'all giving a lot. I do like the 2 variations. It's very smart, but literally the mattes are the only ones that really outperformed, in my opinion. I think it came out really fun to have 2 different spectrums of it. So this is like the town, and then like Oogie Boogie and his little minions. This side of it. So next, what I'm going to talk about real quick, just a little chat with it. New Halloween limited edition Kiss lashes. So on, let me see, I believe on the right eye to me, Under the Sea Siren lashes, and also the Spell Wicked lashes. So with these, I do have Under the Sea, I believe. Yep, I have Under the Sea on the, what I call Oogie Boogie side. I actually do like this one. I like that lash. That lash is really good. And I don't have to cut this lash at all. So if you see, they're like nice and wispy, nice and long. I feel like even though these are Halloween lashes, they were built up very nicely. So I give them that. I do like the Under the Sea ones. Those are really good. Now the Spell lash. Now this guy is a really big old wispy pixie. It is definitely a witchy, wicked looking lash. I definitely have to cut it, as you can see. Cut off a whole section over here. This lash is okay. The hairs on these are very thin. They're not too thick. They're not faux mink. They're not feathery like. They're just the lash, a Halloween costume lash. Will these go good with a nice smoky eye? Most definitely. If you blacked out your complete eye, these will look really great because they're just so dramatic anyways. This takes over the look. This one complements it. They're all right, but I really do like the Under the Sea one. These feel like something I would wear even past Halloween. These are limited edition. I got these in Walmart. These are just the little Kiss Halloween lashes. Thanks for watching my review and tutorial, especially on the palette and even the review on the mini Kiss lashes. Guys, again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment below which look is your favorite, which lash is your favorite. Let me know. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. You guys already know what I'm about to say. You already know. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Bye.